I'm here at the invitation of the Russian government by the Prime Minister, and I had talked with him today. So there have been many firsts commemorated today. There is the first official visit by a Fijian Prime Minister to the Russian Federation. It was also the first meeting of heads of government representing our countries. And now, the first major Fijian tourism promotion for Russian travel companies. From now on, visas will no longer be required for citizens of both countries wanting to visit each other for stays of up to 90 days. We understand that Russians generally book holidays about 4 weeks before they leave. Now Russians, guests to Fiji, don't need so long to plan and book, and can just grab a passport and get on a plane. We have some very senior members of the Fijian industry here with us tonight who can cater for any special needs, and looking forward to talking to you about the unique Fijian experience. In addition to practical travel advice and information on our country, you will learn from each of the Fijian travel experts and operators here tonight what makes Fiji special. You will learn about the natural hospitality of our people and the richness of our culture. You will learn about the natural hospitality of our people and the richness of our culture.
Вы также узнаете больше о гостеприимстве народа, населяющего Фиджи, и о богатстве нашей культуры.
Fijians take much pride in ensuring that our visitors are warmly welcomed to our island home. We are confident that once you visit us, you too will understand the truth of our phrase, Fiji, where happiness finds you. It is more than just a glossy marketing campaign. We really do care that our visitors live happy, no matter who they are or where they come from. As you learned tonight, Fiji has has a host of activities to offer. We are also a great destination for Russian super yachts. And if you want to get married or go on a honeymoon, Fiji is where you need to go, with some of the most romantic locations on earth. And for those of you who are already married, you can have a second honeymoon. You have a number of choices to get to Fiji. The shortest option for Russian travelers to Fiji is to travel via Seoul, Korea, or via Hong Kong, and then direct to Fiji. If you choose Hong Kong, there's an added bonus. Your Fijian experience can begin right there on our brand new airline, Fiji Airways. On our A330 Airbus. Right away, you'll realize why Fijians are widely regarded as the friendliest people on the planet. So thank you for joining us tonight to experience long distance, a taste of Fiji. Enjoy the rest of the evening. Spasiba.